Good day, students. In this workshop, you'll navigate to so in Teams, you're going to go to the files, you'll navigate to Archicad, Workshop 2 project files. You need to download all of these files, please. So what I would recommend you do is you click on Workshop 2, you're going to use the download function. So you're going to have download, or you can literally click on this and also use download over here, it doesn't matter. So download the project or the project files. Please note in downloads, I would move this to a location where you'll work. You'll have to upload, you'll need to upload some files as well, and there'll be a location provided. So in the interim, download the files. Okay, I'll copy these to a location. So copy these to a place where you'd like to work. I'm just going to put this on my desktop, and then I'll simply extract this to a location. So unpackage this in, so I'm going to say extract to OneDrive. You can get rid of the zip folder. I'm just going to rename this to workshop so I know where I'm working. Good. So put this in a location, call it workshop 2. Okay, so you could have just extracted everything to your desktop, so Control X. You can just put everything on your desktop just like this. So you could have just extracted it into the right location because it comes pre-packaged in essence. Okay, straightforward for this exercise. I've given you an AutoCAD file that you need to use and embed in your Archicad project. You've got the Archicad project, and then you've also got the exercise PDF that you need to follow. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. This is the exercise that you'll need to complete. These are the questions that you'll need to answer. Okay, pretty straightforward. And you'll need to upload this project file when you're done. Okay. So all you need to do now is launch Archicad. So go to Archicad, launch Archicad. Okay, once Archicad is launched, you'll need to go to Open, navigate to where you've put the folder. Okay, you need to navigate to where you've put the work, so just remember you'll need to navigate to that location, so Workshop 2. Make sure that you select the appropriate file type. Okay, and you're going to press Open. Give it a couple seconds for the project to launch. Okay, once the project's launched, you should be seeing exactly what I'll be seeing, and then you can proceed with the workshop.